We're excited for the 2024 application season. This year we'll be launching 2 new products that hunters can take advantage. The first is tag insurance. With the growing cost of once-in-a-lifetime permits going up, we have created a product that helps alleviate the large unexpected expense that occurs when a hunter lucks into one of these permits. For the low cost of $100 per year, hunters who are successful in drawing a once-in-a-lifetime permit per state regulations to include all bighorn sheep, moose, mountain goat, bison, and once-in-a-lifetime oryx in the lower 48, we will cover the cost of these state permits. Our second product is the lightning strike package. Drawing a hunt that has less than 1% odds is always an exciting problem. Getting caught off guard by one of these incredible opportunities can often lead to lots of anxiety considering the cost of the hunt that comes out of left field. For customers who purchase the lightning strike package and are successful in drawing one of these hunts, the draw will cover the cost of the outfitter up to $15,000. This is limited to 1 hunt per year, and we confirm odds of drawing by referencing the odds posted on GoHunt.com odds calculator. The long story short is this. If you were to enroll in this program and are successful anytime between 1 and 42 years, you would be potentially money ahead depending on the hunt you have drawn and the outfitter you choose to hunt with. Give us a call today and let's talk about whether the tag insurance or the lightning strike package makes sense for your current hunt plan.